Hello everyone, here we are supposed to see forward biasing of a diode. So now you can see here in the diagram when we are connecting external power supply to the diode at that time we are saying that process as a bias. And in forward biasing we are supposed to connect positive terminal of a battery to the p-type semiconductor and negative terminal of a battery to the n-type semiconductor. Here, if you see in the diagram, we are using one external resistor because we are supposed to resist excess current. We are supposed to use the current that is sufficient for working principle of a diode, and the excess current we are supposed to resist. For that we are using here external resistor. So this is the simple construction diagram for a forward biased diode. When we are connecting positive terminal of a external battery to the p-type semiconductor and negative terminal of a battery to the n-type semiconductor, at that time we can say that diode as a forward biased diode. And if you see here, maximum current will flow through the diode during forward biasing, because you can see here when we are connecting positive terminal to the p-type semiconductor, negative terminal to the n-type semiconductor, what will happen? जब हमारे पास अनबायस्ड डायोड था तब क्या था, एक p टाइप एक n टाइप था एंड देयर इज अ डिप्लीशन रीजन. You can see here, this is the depletion region, and here you will get electric field due to that depletion region. That electric field we are saying as a barrier potential. यहाँ पे डायग्राम में नाम नहीं दिया हुआ है, बट डिप्लीशन रीजन की वजह से क्या होगा, वहां पे निगेटिव और पॉजिटिव इमोबाइल की आयन की वजह से वहां पे तुम्हें एक इलेक्ट्रिक फील्ड मिलेगा. दैट इलेक्ट्रिक फील्ड वी आर सेइंग एज अ बैरियर पोटेंशियल. Okay, so when we are giving positive terminal to the p type at that time, you can see here in p type we are having the holes. In here we are connecting positive terminal with this. तो क्या हो जाएगा, पॉजिटिव पॉजिटिव विल गेट रिपल्ड. वो क्या करेंगे, ये पॉजिटिव टर्मिनल ऑफ अ बैटरी विल रिपेल होल्स ऑफ p type semiconductor, and that will repel and that will push these electrons towards the depletion. Similarly, negative terminal of a battery will repel negative charged electrons of n-type semiconductor, and this will be pushed towards the depletion region. क्या हो जाएगा, ये जो हम बैटरी कनेक्ट कर रहे हैं उसका पॉजिटिव p टाइप में जो होल्स है उसको रिपेल कर रहा है. कहाँ रिपेल कर रहा है, उसको कहाँ पुश कर रहा है, डिप्लीशन रीजन की टूवर्ड्स, एंड द इलेक्ट्रॉन्स फ्रॉम n type are get pushed towards the depletion region because of negative terminal of a battery. तो क्या हो रहा है, when these electrons and holes are repelled by forward biased battery of a PN junction diode, they will get pushed towards the depletion region, due to which the width of depletion region will get reduced. क्या हो जाएगा, डिप्लीशन रीजन जो है वो रिड्यूस हो जाएगा, एंड आफ्टर सम टाइम दैट डिप्लीशन रीजन विल गेट डिसमिस्ड, विल गेट रिमूव्ड. ये डिप्लीशन रीजन रिमूव हो जाएगा when when the given forward bias voltage will reaches मोर देन द बैरियर पोटेंशियल. हमारे पास जो डिप्लीशन रीजन है उसमें जो वोल्टेज क्रिएट हुआ था यहाँ पे, वो वोल्टेज के कंपैरिजन में फॉरवर्ड बायस का वोल्टेज ज्यादा होगा. एट दैट टाइम द डिप्लीशन रीजन विल गेट रिमूव्ड, वो पूरी तरह रिमूव हो जाएगा, and at that time electron again will start to enter into the p type semiconductor, hole will again start to enter to the n type semiconductor, due to which current will start to flow, due to which electron current will start to flow. You can see here the diagram of the, sorry, not a diagram, the direction of a electric field. You can see here when we are connecting forward biasing to the PN junction diode, at that time when your supply voltage will reaches more than barrier potential, at that time the width of depletion region will go to reduce, and it will be removed when supply voltage will become higher than the barrier potential. At that time, current will start to flow because electron will get attracted towards the p-type semiconductor and holes will get attracted towards the n-type. They will again start to do recombination, due to which current will start to flow. You can see here the direction of a current. This is nothing but id is nothing but diode current. So here we can see the dr is nothing but depletion region. dr depletion region. The depletion region is small in forward bias PN junction diode, and when the value of supply voltage will go increase as compared to the barrier potential, तब तो ये depletion region पूरी तरह remove हो जाएगा and current will start to flow. This is the forward biasing of a diode. Now we can see about firstly the diagram of the VI characteristics of a forward biasing. उसके बाद हम reverse biasing देखेंगे. तो यहाँ पे तुम ये मैं diagram बताती हूँ. Just wait for a minute. क्योंकि मैंने उसको पीपीटी में कन्वर्ट किया है, बट पीपीटी अभी मोबाइल से शेयर नहीं हो रहा है इस पे जूम पे, बिकॉज जूम इज एबल टू ओनली शेयर द पीडीएफ और द इमेज फाइल. So we will see the diagram in tomorrow. I will again explain at that time the forward biasing, because the online session was declared only in today morning. So because of that, right now I am not having that PDF. Okay. So here you can see when we are connecting positive terminal of a battery to the p-type semiconductor and negative terminal of battery to the n-type semiconductor, at that time the weight of depletion region will go to decrease, and after some time when the value of supply voltage will reaches over than barrier potential, at that time the depletion region will get removed and electron will start to move, due to which current will start to flow. That is the working principle of a forward bias diode. The diagram for the forward bias diode for the VI characteristics we will see in the tomorrow session. Now we will see reverse bias diode. So what we can say here, when we are doing exactly vice versa of a forward biasing, हमने वहां पे क्या किया था, पॉजिटिव टर्मिनल ऑफ बैटरी पी को कनेक्ट किया था, बट हियर when we are connecting negative terminal of a battery to the p type semiconductor and positive terminal of a battery to the n type semiconductor, at that time that biasing we can say as a reverse bias type. Now what will happen, can anyone tell me यहाँ पे डिप्लीशन रीजन पे क्या इफेक्ट होगा और यहाँ पे होल्स और निगेटिव टर्मिनल में अट्रैक्शन होगा या रिपल्शन होगा? कैन एनीवन टेल मी? इट इज वेरी सिंपल. You can see here the diagram. Very good. What will happen? See here. When we are connecting negative terminal of a battery to the p-type semiconductor, in p-type semiconductor we are having majority charge carrier are a holes. We are having majority charge carrier are holes, due to which these are attracted towards the negative terminal. यहाँ पे रिपल्शन नहीं होगा, यहाँ पे क्या होगा, अट्रैक्शन होगा, क्योंकि यहाँ पे होल्स है, होल्स का पॉजिटिव चार्ज है, तो होल्स क्या हो जाएंगे, यहाँ पे निगेटिव बैटरी के पास अट्रैक्ट हो जाएंगे. Similarly, the electrons of a n-type semiconductor which are having negative charge, they are attracted towards the positive terminal of a battery, due to which the depletion region, the weight of depletion region will go to increase. क्या हो जाएगा, यहाँ पे डिप्लीशन रीजन का वेट बढ़ जाएगा, क्योंकि यहाँ पे अट्रैक्शन हो रहा है. ये जो इलेक्ट्रॉन्स है वो पी में जाने की जगह वो क्या कर रहे हैं, बैटरी की तरफ जा रहे हैं, और होल्स एन में जाने की जगह वो क्या कर रहे हैं, निगेटिव टर्मिनल के पास अट्रैक्ट हो रहे हैं, ड्यू टू विच द वेट ऑफ डिप्लीशन रीजन विल गो टू इंक्रीज. When we are connecting negative terminal of a battery to the p-type semiconductor and positive terminal of battery to the n-type semiconductor, at that time the weight of depletion region will go to increase, because because there is an attraction in holes of p-type semiconductor and negative terminal of a battery. There is attraction in negative charge electrons from n-type semiconductor and positive terminal of a battery, due to which the weight of depletion region will go to increase. क्या हो रहा है वहां पे? डिप्लीशन रीजन जो है वो बढ़ रहा है, ड्यू टू विच व्हाट विल हैपन, यहाँ पे डिप्लीशन रीजन बढ़ रहा है, देयरफॉर hence barrier potential will increase or decrease. Can anyone tell me, डिप्लीशन रीजन बढ़ रहा है तो यहाँ पे जो डिप्लीशन रीजन की वजह से इलेक्ट्रिक फील्ड जो क्रिएट होता है उसको हम बैरियर पोटेंशियल बोलते हैं, तो उसका वैल्यू बढ़ जाएगा या कम हो जाएगा? Is there anyone? Very good. As the width of depletion region will widen, due to which barrier potential will increase, and due to which there will be very small reverse current flow, and that will be because of a minority charge carrier. You can see over the diagram there is arrow given and minority carrier flow, because here barrier potential will go to increase, depletion region is becoming widened, due to which very small reverse current starts to flow due to the minority charge carrier, and they are very less in the amount, due to which that current is only depend on a temperature, that current is not depend on a voltage. There will be question in exam, you will get the question. The reverse current in a reverse biasing of diode will depend on, there will be four options: the reverse voltage, forward voltage, temperature, all of the above, or there will be the option none of them. At that time, you are supposed to understand the value of current is depend only on temperature in the reverse bias diode. But in forward bias diode, the value of current is depending on the forward biasing. जैसे जैसे voltage बढ़ेगा वैसे वैसे current बढ़ेगा in forward biasing. But in reverse biasing, there will be very small current will flow because there is a very high barrier potential, due to which there is current flow only because of minority charge carrier. Minority means matlab जो कम है. If you see this diagram, what we can say here, in p type we are having the holes, in n type we are having the electrons. तो हम जब negative supply दे रहे हैं, when we are giving the reverse biasing, at that time you can see you will get the minority charge carrier holes in the n type. यहाँ पे हमें माइनॉरिटी जो पॉजिटिव चार्ज चाहिए, जो होल चाहिए एन टाइप में, वो क्या है, बहुत कम है. और पी टाइप में होल मेजॉरिटी है, इलेक्ट्रॉन कम है. बट व्हेन वी आर गिविंग द नेगेटिव सप्लाई, एट दैट टाइम current is flowing because of minority charge carrier, and these are very small, due to which you will get very small reverse current, and that current is depend on a temperature. If you see its value, it is very low. You can take that value of reverse current in a reverse biasing of diode, that is in a microampere, क्योंकि उसका वैल्यू बहुत कम होता है. तो उसका वैल्यू कितना है, माइक्रो एम्पियर. माइक्रो मतलब 10⁻⁶ एम्पियर. बट व्हेन यू विल सी द VI characteristics of the forward bias diode, at that time you will get there is a very increment in a current with respect to the voltage, and that current is very high. You can measure that current in a ampere, but in reverse bias we can measure that current only in a microampere because it is very small. Now, what we can say here, when you will see about the VI characteristics of the reverse bias in the tomorrow's session, at that time, you are supposed to understand. We are saying the value of current is increasing very low with respect to the voltage, and it is depending on a temperature. You will get very small reverse current. आफ्टर दैट वेन वी आर इंक्रीजिंग द रिवर्स वोल्टेज, जैसे जैसे हम वोल्टेज बढ़ाएंगे, कौन सा वोल्टेज जो हम बैटरी को दे रहे हैं, इफ वी आर इंक्रीजिंग द रिवर्स वोल्टेज, द रिवर्स सैचुरेशन करंट रिमेन्स कांस्टेंट. करंट का वैल्यू बहुत कम है एंड इट विल बिकम अ कांस्टेंट अप टू व्हाट पॉइंट, It will become constant when the value of reverse voltage will reaches to the breakdown voltage. At that time, that current will start to increase rapidly, and that voltage we are saying as a reverse breakdown voltage. फर्स्ट क्या होगा, जैसे हम निगेटिव सप्लाई देंगे तब क्या होगा, वेरी स्मॉल करंट फ्लो होगा. आफ्टर दैट इट विल रिमेन्स कांस्टेंट. दैट करंट वी आर सेइंग एज अ रिवर्स सैचुरेशन करंट. बट व्हेन वैल्यू ऑफ गिवन सप्लाई वोल्टेज will reaches to the reverse breakdown voltage, at that time there you will get small, there you will get increment in a current, sudden increment, and that voltage we are saying as a breakdown voltage. The diagram for the VI characteristics we will see tomorrow. If anyone is facing any issue, you can ask me. Otherwise, we can move to the next topic. Okay, now you can see here. In our syllabus, we are supposed to see the different types of the diode. These are nothing but PN junction diode, LED, photodiode, Zener diode. If you see practically, these diodes will look like this. You can see the PN junction diode, anode, cathode. You can see LED. LED is nothing but it is having the two terminals. These are having the different colors. We are using for the blinking of light. When you will give the power supply, there will be the emission of light. मतलब तुम्हें light दिखेगा, तुम power supply दोगे. Photodiode it will exactly work opposite with respect to the LED. ये light emit करता है. Photodiode क्या करेगा? It will take the light. It is giving the light, it is taking the light. LED और photodiode exactly opposite with each other. After that, Zener diode. What we have seen the PN junction diode, if you see the construction diagram for the Zener diode and the PN junction diode are the same. But if you see its working principle for the forward biasing of PN junction and Zener diode, both are same. But reverse biasing of a PN and the Zener diode are different. Reverse biasing of Zener diode and the PN junction diode are different. उसका फॉरवर्ड बायसिंग दोनों का सेम है, बट रिवर्स बायसिंग का जो वर्किंग प्रिंसिपल है बोथ आर वेरी डिफरेंट. ओके, we will see, we are supposed to see that diode also thoroughly, so we will see now. Now you can see here diode is nothing but I have given short description for all the types of the diode. What we can say, PN junction. PN junction diode is nothing but we are using the two semiconductors, P-type, N-type. P-type means positive terminal. Negative terminals means what? N-type semiconductor. It shrinks and overcome the depletion region. It will remove depletion region, and that's why it will give forward current in a large amount. So we can say when we are giving the forward biasing to the PN junction diode, at that time it will overcome the depletion region, it will make depletion region removed. After that, when the value of supply voltage will become greater than the barrier potential, at that time that will allow to flow the current from P-type semiconductor to the N-type semiconductor. LED is nothing but it is also a two-terminal device, the two lead semiconductor device. But if you see the working principle, the construction of LED, at that time you will get the idea when we are supposed to make the LED. We are supposed to use the material like gallium arsenide. You can say GaAs, gallium arsenide. You can use gallium arsenide phosphide, GaAsP, or you can use gallium phosphide, means GaP. These are the very important materials you are supposed to understand. For making LED, we can use डायोड के लिए हम पी और एन टाइप सेमीकंडक्टर यूज कर रहे थे, जीनर डायोड के लिए भी हम पी टाइप एन टाइप सेमीकंडक्टर यूज करेंगे. बट फॉर एलईडी you will require some different material. These are nothing but a gallium arsenide phosphide, or a gallium phosphide, GaP. It is also a PN junction diode, but it will allow to give the light. It will emit the light. when we are giving the power supply to the LED. So we can say when LED get activated at that time, it will emit the light. And photodiode is nothing but it is exactly work opposite with respect to the LED. It is also a semiconductor diode, but it converts light into a current. LED क्या करता है? करंट को लाइट में कन्वर्ट करता है. When you will give the power supply, वो जो करंट मिलता है उसको वो लाइट में कन्वर्ट करता है. But photodiode will convert light into a current. It means it will work exactly opposite with a LED. When you will give the light at that time, photodiode will give us a current, and a small amount of current is produced when there is a no light. Zener diode means what? It is a PN junction diode, but which allows current to flow in a forward direction, that is in the same manner with the ideal PN junction diode. Jay Kumar, please don't do like this. And when we will see about its reverse biasing of a Zener diode, at that time you will see it is different with respect to the PN junction diode. In Zener diode, you will get constant voltage. You will get constant voltage. But in sorry, but in PN junction diode, if you see the working principle of a reverse biasing of a diode, this diagram, when we are giving the reverse biasing, at that time we are saying there is a small amount of current will flow. After that, you will get that value of current will remain constant, and after that it will increase, but it is not linear. But when you will see the working principle of a Zener diode, at that time you will see after the breakdown voltage you will get constant amount of current, due to which we are saying that current as a Zener current. उस करंट को हम क्या बोलेंगे? Zener, because after breakdown voltage in the reverse biasing of a Zener diode, you will get constant amount of current, due to which we are using Zener diode only in a reverse bias. In forward biasing we are using only PN junction diode. फॉरवर्ड बायसिंग के लिए हम जो फर्स्ट है पीएन जंक्शन और सेमीकंडक्टर डायोड सिर्फ वही यूज करेंगे. बट इन रिवर्स बायसिंग वी आर सपोज टू यूज Zener diode only, because it will give us constant amount of voltage after the reverse breakdown voltage. If anyone is facing any issue, you can ask me. Okay, after that, we are supposed to see the applications of a diode circuit, but these are quite lengthy, so it will not get completed today. So now we can end our session here, and the remaining application of a diode we will see in the tomorrow session. If anyone is facing any issue, you can ask me. Now I am taking your screenshot for the attendance purpose. यदि आप बच्चों में से कोई कॉलेज में है तो मेरे पास फर्स्ट यूनिट के नोट्स हैंड रिटन रेडी है, किसी को चाहिए है तो वो मेरे से कलेक्ट कर सकते हैं. बस उसका जेरोक्स लेके मुझे ये प्रिंट मतलब फिर से रिटर्न कर दीजिए आज की आज. ओके, आर यू गेटिंग मी? Okay, otherwise I will take the pictures of that and I will share in a group, so you will all get the notes. हाँ, क्लास में अभी कोई कॉलेज में है यहाँ पे प्रेजेंट, तो वो आप ईएनटीसी डिपार्टमेंट में आ सकते हो, मेरे से नोट्स कलेक्ट कर सकते हो. ओके, चलेगा है ना. हाँ, और जो कोई आता है उसके बाद आप बाकी सबको मतलब दे सकते हो, तुम ले सकते हो एक दूसरे की तरह. ओके, हाँ, आई विल टेक द पिक्चर्स एंड आई विल शेयर इन द ग्रुप. Okay, so remaining we will see in the next class. Thank you. Have a nice day. You guys can leave now.